Hey, what's up, guys? I want to ask some question for you guys. If you want to make money with this Q4, because you may see some gurus are making killing amount with this Q4, and you think I don't probably do this for me, but in this video I show you how to make a big money like a gurus to be profitable with Q4, guys. And stay tuned for more. Okay, guys, what do you expect from this video? This video I show the best method to make lots of money using this Christmas or Q4 and it's legitimate way to make money, guys, and it's also available worldwide no matter where I'm from. And I show 3 most website to enhance your profitability, guys, and don't skip this video. Watch till the end, guys, and let's dive into this video. The first website we're gonna see the offer vault. You probably heard of the offer vault. This is affiliate marketing website connecting companies and you guys to make some good amount of money. In this offer vault website, I'll show the one most profitable offer you can promote to make money, guys. That's a lead. Lead is not like a sales, guys. Once a customer put an email, you get paid, guys. Just a lead. If you get lots of lead, you can make lots of money too, guys. It's easy method. That's the trending search. I show you how to make lots of money with this, guys. Just to go to search and type gift cards, guys. It's the profitable niche for this Q4, guys. I found you for this is you can make lots of money with this, guys. This is lots of offer come. You can choose one of this offer, guys. iPhone X offer, $28 lead. June box, $24 lead. This is the offer from offer all, guys, but I don't recommend this. I found you for good offer for you, guys. That the offer is this is the offer, guys. With an Apple gift card, you can get 3.2 cents for per lead, guys. It's quite low, but you can get lots of money with this, guys, because this country is worldwide, guys. No matter where your lead come from, this country is worldwide. Some of the offer here like this is some specific countries like US, Canada, Sweden, like this, guys, but this is worldwide, guys, and this is no matter country. If you see this, click this full landing page, guys. It's automatically take you this to this landing page. This is a simple landing page. If some traffic sent you this website, the traffic source, put your email here, guys, just like this, and you can click next and you can get paid, guys. It's easy method. Just to send your traffic, guys. As I told earlier, I show the topmost 3 websites to get your traffic, guys. It's easy. Just this website. If you want to run this offer, click run offer, guys. It's automatically take you to the affiliate network page, guys. You go to sign in there and get an affiliate link for you, guys. Just easy. Just to put your name, address one, city, country, state, zip code, phone, tax ID, if you ask, email address, password, confirm password, first name, last name, title, and question, guys, is the additional question for the security level. And this question is like normal question, and click to this checkbox, guys, and click sign up. You are in this website, you are in this affiliate network, guys. It's easy method. Just go to affiliate network and get some your affiliate link, guys. It's easy money. Just don't overthink. It's easy. Just go to this website, offer vault, and search gift card, guys. Search gift card and you will get this result like this, guys. You may take this offer, but I don't recommend because this is country that different from, guys. Like French, once you send French traffic to this company, but I don't recommend this because I show this websites are mixed traffic, guys, like worldwide. It's come from US, it's come from UK, whatever the world, it's come from whatever place, guys. So I don't recommend clicking this. I just recommend this offer, guys. If you need this offer, comment below. I send you or pin the comment for you, guys, this link, or you screenshot or type this, guys. I'll put a description, guys, for this offer. You click this and directly go to this page and click the run offer and sign up this here, guys. Traffic venture, this is the platform for you guys to make money. As I told you that I show how to get a traffic for this software, guys. I show the three most top free traffic sources, not paid. You don't need to invest any money for this business, guys. Just to put some work and put some creativity and make some lots of money, guys. That's easy as I think. The first website I show you, the most powerful website, get lots of traffics from worldwide, guys. The software is probably worldwide, no matter where the traffics come from. It's available worldwide, guys. Just Apple gift card. Everyone loves Apple company because so everyone has an iPhone and you can get lots of money with this, guys. Just $3.2, guys, every per lead, every email you give the company, guys. First website we're gonna see, that's a reddit.com, guys. You probably see the reddit.com. It's the most searchable search engine or form, guys. You come here reddit.com and search gift card, guys, and you see the result like this, guys. Random act of Amazon gift card exchange. Click this one. You can join this Reddit and post your creativity like a meme, something like that, and you can get lead to this affiliate marketing, guys. You can make this money. You see, guys, people are making lots of money, and be aware of, guys, some of the form or not allow you to post affiliate link, guys. Just be careful this which of the form or cannot do this for you, guys. Just this, just go do whatever you like to do with Reddit, guys. As easy as you think. Just to post, if you want to post, just click here, guys, create post. It's automatically take this post, guys. Just title and just creative title, guys, just like Apple gift card. That's the like, guys, and text optional, guys. Just I ask here, I copy this and paste, guys, and go to this and grab this URL, guys. Just as click as this and copy, guys. Don't copy this URL. You need to sign this website first, guys. Then only you click own of unique affiliate link. Then you can paste here, guys. Just to paste here, it's easy. Or go to link, guys. Just paste here and post, guys. Just easy. Just post. Some people come here and get sign up. You get paid, guys. It's easy money. And the second most profitable website you can get traffic from, it's the Facebook group, guys. You probably heard of, I think. Facebook is one of the most common way to get traffic, guys. It's easy. Just to go to Facebook, click gift card, and you see there is lots of group, guys, but the gift card niche is lot smaller than you think, and there is some of gift card, guys, just 10k members, just 13k, 5.3k. Just join all the group, guys. Post your niche, guys. Just easy. Click the group and click the join group, guys. It's easy, guys. Click the join group. It's easy as you think. Easy, guys. Just 10,000 members. If you need at least your creativity mind to get some traffic, guys, or you go to this website. This website are giving some of the banners for you, guys. And the first and most traffic source you get, that is YouTube, guys. You can make a video and to get paid also, ad revenue from YouTube, and you can get paid also this affiliate marketing, guys. You need not to get a lots of 1,000 subscribers. Just with a 0 subscriber you can make lots of money with this, guys. Just to go to YouTube, free gifts, guys, free gift cards. There is a lots of video, guys. You see the search volume is 50%, guys, and the video completion is less, guys, comparatively. This is the video Chrome extension for most accurate enables search for YouTube, guys. If you need, go to extension. I don't like this say. Go to extension, get video, guys, something like that. And this is most easy to rank number 1, guys, because the competitive skills are just 21. You can go just record the screen as I recording now, and you can click. You can edit some with Amazon or Apple gift card stuff like that, and put your affiliate link in description, guys, and people see description and click the link and go to your landing page and put your email, and you can get paid, guys. Just $3, guys, just $3 for per email, guys. Just available worldwide, no matter wherever the traffic come from. You see, guys, 3 months ago 2111 and 13 hours ago 200. There is lots of lead, guys, you can get from. There is no need to wait the end of the Q4. You can make money with this and get the money to the new year for your purpose to going to work your new year, guys. That's it. To 2020, you can make with lots of money with this money in 2020, guys. I hope this video helps you a lot to make lots of money with this Q4 like gurus, and you can make even more money with this gurus, guys, because you can make lots of money with this, because the gift card is trending, because Christmas is coming. People are buying gift cards from anywhere else. People are thinking, I want gift card free. Though you can give a affiliate link to get a free Apple gift card, guys. Just like simple process. Just put your link on anywhere in the I show in the 3 social media and get traffic from anywhere in the world and get paid for every email you send to the affiliate network, guys. So I hope this video helps you a lot to make money. I'll catch you the next one. Until then, thanks for watching. Make money online. Peace.